you tell me what the wise men said when they came down from heaven? Smoked 9 till 7, all the shit that they could find. But they couldn't escape from you, couldn't be free of you, and now they know there's no way out.